Okay, I'm back again. Somebody sent this to me because of the prophecy I gave a couple of weeks ago. Wait, let me see if I can turn this on. Oh, wait. Oh, let me turn it up. Okay, well, let me put it up. Put this on mute. Wait. Okay. The Lord had gave me this prophecy a couple of weeks ago. And he gave me a prophecy about the stock market. In the 2020 prophecy for 2021, but he gave me the prophecy about the cryptocurrency maybe like a week or two ago, because somebody, I think in the beginning of January on YouTube, had asked me did I know anything about cryptocurrency, did God say anything, and he hadn't. So I had prayed. It was like the second week of January, and he gave me the word the end of January. He said that Bitcoin was gonna skyrocket, and then there were other currencies. I mean, other cryptocurrencies that were gonna start stock rocket too. They were very small ones, like they could have been worth 50 cents or $1. He said they were gonna go up, right? So, Bitcoin was $31,000 just a week ago, and now it's 48,000. I think it's because Elon Musk and somebody else, now MasterCard. And I just told y'all about this bank. I looked it up and I put it under the first video when I told you I heard something about Mellon Bank. It's called BNY Mellon Bank Investments. Oh my God. I just kept hearing that bank, and I never even heard of this bank before, guys. And I kept hearing something, a big structure was gonna happen with this bank. And look, somebody sent this to me. Oh God, I got chills. God is amazing, right? um so Bitcoin went up from 31,000 to 48,000, and it's probably gonna go up. It's gonna probably hit past 50 grand because of this. It could hit 60. I remember in 2017 that it was only worth $1,000. I wish I would have invested in it back then. I have me some money. I know a couple of brothers in the Lord, and you know who you are, especially one of you. I know you got some money, and you better hook a sister up, because I'm the one that gave you the prophecy about this Bitcoin 2017. I told y'all that it was gonna skyrocket, right? And then I told y'all it was gonna take a serious nosedive, and then after a good while, it was gonna start going back up again. I know many of you remember that. I gave it to you in February 2018. Yes, I did. Now look, so a lot of you owe me some money, really. So get the paying. And sure is Jesus' name, right? So the Bitcoin. So I don't know much about the currency, digital current, but I looked it up, right? So I looked at it, and it had like all these other little coins. And I noticed where these little coins were like 50 cents, 25 cents, a dollar, they were like $2 and $3 and $4 and $5 now. And I'm like, whoa. So, sister invested a little bit in those low coins. I did, because they very low. I mean, you could take $100 and spend $25 on each one. Especially the ones that's 50 cents, right? So when they go up to like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, you can make a little piece of money. So I invested in 4 of them. 4 little ones. Don't ask me what they are, because I ain't telling you. I ain't getting involved in all of this mess. Y'all go figure it out. All right, or go listen to Brother Johnny. He might give y'all some tips. Currency 365, but he mostly gives all those good tips on his Patreon, which you have to pay for. And it's on Patreon. Currency 365. Shout out Currency 365. Right. He another one that owe me some money. All right. So I came to tell y'all that. Now look, if I had some big money, I sure would have bought me a Bitcoin. Because that thing could go up to $100,000. You never know. Before the year is out, or by next year, that thing, this not God talking, I'm just saying from my spirit, that thing could go up to $100,000. So if I had $46,000 right now that I could afford to let go, I would buy me a Bitcoin, because you gonna get 10 to 50,000 extra You know, because it could go up to 100,000 messing with Elon Musk and all of them. You never know. But I know it's going to hit 50 grand. I'm telling you, it's going to, right? And also the vision, and then Daddy gave me a word about the stock market. He said that the stock market was going to go high and then just go real low, no middle ground. So the stock market had went high. Now look what happened because of GameStop, right? So, but it's gonna go back up. Now Bitcoin, he told me these currencies, these digital coins were going to go high, and then they were going to go low, and then go high. It's going to be up and down. So all of you Bitcoins out there, y'all need to be taking, let's say you invested 31,000 on this coin, right? You done made what, 17 grand? You need to take it and run and leave your 31. Let's say somebody bought $1,000 of Bitcoin, because you can buy 500, 1,000. You know, you don't have to pay the whole coin, right? So let's just say somebody bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. You probably done made a couple of $1,000 because Bitcoin has went up, or you made like 1,000. Take it and run and leave, you know, what you got in there. And if you see your investment, like your $1,000 start going down to 7 or 6 or 5, don't worry, because it's going to go back up again. That's what the Lord said to me. All right. So I just came to remind y'all of that prophecy and the stock market prophecy. So, you know, whoever got some extra money, you know, go and buy some of them little coins, because them little coins is going to go up. And if you got big money, Bitcoin, you know, you better get it while you can. Get it while it's there. All right. So God bless y'all. Shalom.